This, friends, is a gabion built in 2005 as part of the pilot project model for the implementation of the Cochise Water Protocol, which the Council approved at the beginning, I believe, of the year 2005. So it's been working like this ever since. And actually, why was it built on this road down here? What you see was a pile of gravel and soil that came from this gorge and is now stopped. Up there is a series of small wooden dams. So this is how it looks now today. January 19th, when it was supposed to snow, it rains and brings risky situations of local floods. Every pit depression is very important in the forest for collecting rainwater. I estimate that there are altogether about 5 tons of pediments. Otherwise, this amount of mud with stone would certainly not have settled in Chermovsko. And in that mud there is about 38 to 40% water. So it's not concrete, it's actually a newly created floodplain which empties during dry periods and improves the water regime of streamlets. Well, this is, friends, above the village of Chahanolchi, where a gabion was erected also in the year 2005. And we look at how the central water, which basically is retained and then filtered above, the amount of sediment that the water carried from the forests. Unfortunate people, we leave it in the forests and do not see from these solutions which are up there, even in the bioclimatic park, numerous water retention measures. Today I don't know what would happen to Chahanovce concerning the amount of water that flows from the forests. That means the water retention measures that were implemented are beneficial. There used to be a project here for regulating this creek, about I don't know how much, a total of 20 million korunas. And instead these water retention measures were built, which bring benefit at a fraction of the cost. Let's take a look at it. I assume that the municipality will remove this waste that was brought to us here